Hello, long time no see. I'm Arise and welcome to a new video. Today we are gambling on two accounts on Blue Lock Rivals. I really want Sai, not Nel Reo. I hope I don't get Nel Reo by trying to get Sai. We got 14 spins. God is good. Oh damn, Nagi. Nagi, Seishiro. Oh my god, my parents are talking. Oh my god, you give me a brr. Okay, wait. Oh damn, they having a whole conversation. Absolute cinema. Okay, give me Sai. Sai, please. Oh damn. Nagi. Nagi, say Shirodo. Shido again. Wait. My mom just went into my room like, bah, what are you doing? Anyways, Nel Bachira. Nel Bachira. Sai, please. Please, Sai. Give me Sai. Me want Sai very bad. I'll start playing this game if I get Sai. A lot more. Shido. No, I want Sai. Give me Sai. Sai. Give me Sai. But just give me Sai. Or Kunigami. But I want Sai right now. I almost got Reo, but okay. Give me Sai. Shido. This was with this account. We got Yukimiya at least. Anyways, let's go with the second account. Okay, now I'm on the second account. I haven't posted in a while because I was not in the country. Okay, let's put the code. Okay, first, thank you. Master of all trades. Got him. Okay, now let's start gambling. Isagi. Sai, please. I had Aiku on this account. Oh, Toya. I don't need a Toya. Nagi got nerfed. At least Sai or Nel Reo, because if I get Nel Reo, I'm gonna showcase it to you. And I forgot about the flow, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it on my second account, on my main account again. But now I'm gonna do all the things on this account. Aiku again. I already know Aiku, I don't need it. Either Sai or either Reo. Karasu. We don't need Karasu, boy. Trust I'm gonna get Don Lorenzo from this normal spin. I was close to get Don Lorenzo. Almost low-key, bro. Loki is so overrated. Last spin. Whoa, I got Kaiser from last spin. Okay, now flow. Dribbler. Damn. My mom came in my room to give me pizza. Yum yum. Anyways, shall we try and get Godspeed or Let Dribbler? I'm gonna Let Dribbler. Let me go on main to spin on a flow, and this was the video. I'm back on the main, and by the way, I put my pizza here because it's better, because I have here water and pizza, and here my printer and my laptop, and here's my bed. Ignore my dirty bed. Anyways, let's go on flows. Let's get the Godspeed flow. Am I the only one, or my face changes when I get the flow? What? What? Look at my face. I got Awakened Genius, by the way. And I'm gonna log this because it's my favorite. Bye bye, Emperor. Damn. Look at my face. Look at my face. It changes. Depends on the flow. Since when they added this? Oh, look, Master of all trades here. But I heard from Mino Life that is a good flow. It's a P flow. But I don't know what to say about it. Wait, let me go back in flow this because it's better not to show the lobby. Look, my face is turned like this. Start. Wait, let me not shake my phone. I really need Godspeed. It's too OP. I don't know what King Authority does, but I kinda want to try either these two, either this, you know. Boing. Six more, 5 more. The wildcard? Since when wildcard is a mythic? I thought it was a legendary. Last one. And now here's the thing. I'm gonna use these two spins because I have PC 42. Please. No, give me something good. I guess I got Awakened Genius. This was the video on today. After a big break of filming, like 1 week. See ya into the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.